Hey everyone, on our last episode I took you for the majority of a tour around the house on the outsides, letting the car go past. So we thought this time we'd let Betty take you for a tour on the inside of the house. Hey Betty!
Oh hi! Welcome to Cribs. This is our crib.
With a pile of leaves.
I was actually genuinely sweeping, not just for the camera.
This is what you're doing with your life now?
That's what I do with my life now. I've got a porch that I can sweep. I don't just walk out my front door and be in a hallway in an apartment building, so I can do all these sorts of fun things like sweep now.
I see something else has been added to the porch now.
Oh, this little guy?
Yeah.
This is our next pet that we got. He doesn't eat much.
Shall you take us on a tour of the inside of the house?
Sure. Welcome to our humble abode. This is the hallway.
Up you.
Come in so you don't let flies in. Get in here. I'll place it. Very important, if you're not from Australia, close your fly screen doors. So in the front of the house, we have quite a decent size, like living sort of, I think living/dining area this is going to be for us. So we've got cute little windows in the front, nice little fireplace which we found out works really well actually, so we'll probably keep that at least for the first winter, and then we'll look at maybe what we want to do with that in the future. But yeah, we've got some ideas for this room already. Our very sturdy, very expensive dining setting.
We're clearly very set up already.
Yeah. What else is there to show you in here? A clock that ticks really loudly that I've had to take the batteries out of once already.
Your little bag hook.
Little bag hook. That's where I put my bag.
Just quietly, we've got a new addition to Mickey now.
Yeah, I don't think that's its first appearance it's made, is it?
Don't know. Mickey's pretty famous though.
That's true. This is my non-Halloween backpack. Mickey kind of was starting to get a little bit ragged around the edges, so I think I just want to like reserve him mostly for Halloween times. Makes sense. And then flowing through into the kitchen area, here's our very expensive fridge.
We're clearly very set up.
Look, we are definitely like mostly just coming up here to kind of like do some work on the place and stuff to start with, and we've got furniture coming, it's just not here yet. But I think the kitchen is actually probably one of my favourite parts of the house.
It's a good time for a tour with nothing in, actually. It's nice before, so we can do before and afters later on.
That's true. So my favourite part of this house is actually the original cabinetry that I don't think has really been touched since the house was built. Maybe a lick of paint or something. Joe's trying to tell me that I can't keep them, but I'm going to do everything I can to try and win that argument. But come over here and have a look at what's inside the cabinetry. It's definitely one of my other favourite parts. This cute, like, what do you call that?
Laminate?
Contact paper or something? It's so cute. It's got like all little like Australiana cartoon animals and it's adorable. I think I had wallpaper like that when I was a little kid. So that's probably one of my favourite things. My other favourite thing is actually when you're standing here at the kitchen sink and you look out and you can see the really nice view out there. Can you see that one? Yeah.
I'll do B-roll for it.
Okay, she'll do B-roll for that. And I made us get this oven mitt just because it has broccoli on it. That's probably my favourite vegetable.
One of our lesser stars is the fact that our kitchen benchtop is made of tile, which is half the reason why I don't think that the cupboards are going to last. It's because we need to remove that tile to put on a new benchtop.
I think that I'm curious to see how it goes. I'm not writing it off just yet, so stay tuned. We'll see if this is an argument I win or Zoom wins. My other favourite thing about the kitchen, which probably isn't going to stay, but I thought was hilarious, is the fact that the range hood, the brand is Robin Hood. I just find that really hilarious.
Moving on?
Sure. So then into the hallway, which wraps around from the front door, so you can kind of do a big old loop. We've got bedroom at the front. So you can see out to the nice roses out the front yard. Our very lovely bedding situation.
Temporary bedding.
So good. So comfortable. My back hates me. And this wardrobe was very kindly left by the previous owner, which, you know what, it's actually really quite a good size and it's very useful, so we'll probably keep it for a little while, but we're looking at maybe doing some built-ins at some stage, so Zoom's really excited to keep that for a while.
Oh yeah.
And then we've got second bedroom.
Wallpaper.
It's actually really textural and kind of like nice to touch. I don't hate it. Shockingly, of course Zoom hates it. Of course. So this room, we're probably gonna look at converting this into a bathroom eventually. So you'll probably see why in a minute, but yeah, I think this house at the moment is a 3-bedroom house. There's only going to be 2 of us living here, so we're probably going to hopefully be here forever, so we don't really need 3 bedrooms for 2 of us. So thinking of changing that to a nice big bathroom. And down here we have, storage. Shayna Blaze would have a field day in here.
For those of you that are our international viewers, Shayna Blaze is a judge on The Block.
Yeah.
And her judging criteria always includes lots and lots of storage.
So she always reams the contestants every time they don't have enough storage. And on the topic of storage, this is probably one of my other favourite little features of the house. This little cabinet, which originally we were like, is that the electricity box or something? No, just a weird little cabinet that just seems to serve no purpose, so it's going to be our medicine cabinet. And so this is what I was talking about originally before when I said you'll see what I mean about the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So it's very like a la school camp cabin kind of vibes I get from
exactly
here.
what it is.
Yeah, so it's fine. It's just a little bit on the small and just a scooch dated.
Scooch.
Just a scooch.
Just scooch.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of the wall paneling. Or
What do you mean?
the fact that they've painted over mould, I think, at some stage.
Yeah, so
Rather than cleaning it up.
so the bathroom's probably the area that I think probably is going to need the most TLC. So we're thinking this is eventually going to become a laundry. Yeah. So laundry, convert the second bedroom into a bathroom.
We'll show you the actual laundry after we've gone through the house.
Yeah, and then this is the third bedroom. So this is probably, I'd say, going to be the master, just because it's like probably the biggest, and it's also got a really, really nice view outside. So you've got built-in wardrobes already that exist. Again, they probably need a little bit of a reno, but they're really good, you know, to have already. So yeah, good size. So pretty much, yeah, I don't think we'll do too much to this room. So yeah, probably just give it a bit of a refresh and just have a little look at this. Windowage here.
This is the reason why I think this will be the main bedroom instead of the front room, is that you've got this awesome view of the property. The weather's much nicer today than it was last time we were down here. Yeah, I'm getting rid of these blinds.
Dust.
Dusty.
So that's pretty much all of the inside of the house. Show you the laundry?
Yeah, let's go.
So the laundry is like, I wouldn't say it's like a little add-on, but it's like you've got to go outside to get to the laundry, which is kind of cute, but So this is our little laundry space, which at the moment is just kind of being used to store stuff.
It's a bit of dumping ground for some of our camp gear.
Ooh, there's a big spider. Washing machine will go here.
They have these weird drawers, but that's cute.
That they've tiled the tops of.
Just like everywhere else.
Yep.
And just some cupboards, nothing fancy in there. But yeah.
So that's pretty much the inside. And then, yeah, this nice little back veranda area that gives you a nice little haven to come into if it's raining or whatever. This was actually really nice when we were first coming in the first weekend, and it was pouring rain. So you've got a really nice little sheltered back porch as well. So that's it.
Awesome. Shall we go take a peek at the sheepies while we're here?
Sure.
Let's do it.
Oh, I can smell them.
You can smell the sheep.
Yeah, just a little. Oh, there's lots of bees, be careful.
That's a good thing.
Sorry, bees. Hi, baby.
They don't really know us yet, so they keep running away. But that's alright. They'll get to know us.
Hi, babies. Oh, one's peeing.
No little lammies yet, but we're hopeful that soon, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. Keep an eye out on Lammy Watch.
Lamb watch.
Lamb Watch! With Zoom and Betty. Alright guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye!
Bye.